Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to transfer GGifts to GCash wallet. So first, we're going to open the GCash application and then we're going to click the View All Services. So scroll down until you find the Pera outlet. So this is what your screen will looks like. Click on the Dagdag Pondo and then you can see here the amount of funds that you can add. So tap on continue and then you can see the GGives option. After that, you can see the different installment options that you may choose. So you can choose between the two installment plan and that's it. Your GGives becomes in your GCash wallet. So if you enjoyed this video, give it thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching!